Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Charity Sinae and I am back with another video, and today I am just bringing y'all this the Wicked Witch is being exposed. So the whole concept is you pull in the face back, and as you can see, this side is glam, this side is witch, and that is simply because we are now exposing the Wicked Witch for who she is. The whole time y'all have been thinking she's just this regular degular, and no, she's not. Okay, she's a Wicked Witch. So we're exposing her by pulling off her face. Okay, I was inspired by Nikki Tutorials. She did a look like this last year. I will be sure to post her somewhere over here or over here, who knows, but I was inspired by her, and then when she talked about who inspired her, I went to her page. So her Instagram name is Art by B Maz or Maz. She does a lot of these looks, so I started following her, and I guess you can say I was inspired by both of them, and I just wanted to do a look like it on my channel. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and we're just going to get, dive right into it. Okay, so I felt the need to go ahead and I did my foundation all over, but on this side, as you can see, I went ahead and did a full face. I didn't feel the need to show it on camera because it's not about the glam right now. It's just more about the Halloween part, the witch part. So if you want to see, a full glam, a full beat, feel free to assist yourself to watching another video. So yeah, we're just gonna get started on the witch part. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna outline where we're going to be pulling the face from. You could just use anything to do this part. So what I'm going to do now is just start on the eyebrows, and to do the eyebrows, because everything is going to be intense and we are creating a witch, I am going to take my Pro Longwear Fluid Line MAC eyeliner in the shade Black Track, and we're gonna create the eyebrows with this. Yes. Is it softer? Yes. Yeah. You're stupid. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is just start on the eyes, and I'm going to go back in with my MAC Black Track gel liner, and I'm going to pack that on the lid. And then I'm taking my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be taking the regular black shade over here in the corner, and what I'm going to do is blend that out. But first I'm actually going to set it. Okay, so now that we have that taken care of, I am going to go back into the black shade, and I'm going to start at my eyebrow. I'm just going to flick it up, start at the very edge of my eyebrow, and I'm going to flick that shade up because this is a witch. We want her to look angry. Okay, she is very angry that she's being exposed. Okay, so then what we're going to do now is take it, and we are going to bring it down to our nose, and we're going to also blend it up into our eyebrow right there, and then bring it down, and then what we're going to do now is kind of bring it into our eyes, because what we want it to seem like is that she's distressed. Well, not distressed, but she's like an old hag. So we're going to create some bags for her. Okay, take some down by the nose. And as you can see with everything I'm just creating shadows, but also I am just going back in with like a blending brush that I haven't picked up any shadows or anything with, and I'm just like blending it out. Okay, so now what we're going to do is create a contour, and we're going to start up here, and then we're going to curve kind of upward, and then we're gonna just go down, and then you see how I'm making this face? I'm gonna take that same black and I'm gonna go right here. You gotta kind of act like you're sneezing. So now what we're going to do is take that same black and go right, because I mean we're really contouring, so that's what we're doing. And to really blend it out and make it a little more realistic, I'm also taking Cypress Umber, that shade right there next to the black shade. It's just like a deep brown, and then I also go on top of that. Alright, and then what we're gonna do now is take some black eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna go on the bottom. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do now is take that same black eyeshadow. So we're also gonna give her a little booty chin. So with that black shade, just go ahead and shade it over to the chin, right up under it. Then we're gonna take that black shade and just what we're going to do next is kind of add some highlights, just so you can get a clear, it'll make it stand out more basically, and it'll make the texture stand out more. So I'm taking a very light concealer, and I am taking the MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NW24. I put some on the back of my hand, and I'm just taking my fingertip and kind of dabbing it in there because we're going to blend it out with our fingers. What we're going to do is I'm going to go back over the lines, and I'm going to trace it with some eyeliner now, some black eyeliner. I'm going to go back in with Cypress Umber, the dark brown shade by the black, and I'm kind of going to go over the edges of that with this, just because we don't want the line too sharp. So now we are actually going to start creating the lines that are going to give it that pulling effect. Got me? Yeah. Okay. So it's still gonna have like the same concept of the witch's face. So we're just going to be drawing the lines where we want the face to crease at and create that shadow, and then we're just going to highlight using more concealer. So it's all the same concept. I'm going back in with my eyebrow pencil. We have our lines drawn, and of course, what am I gonna do? I am going to, because I wanna darken it. So I think I'm gonna go back in with Cypress Umber. I think. So now that we got that done, what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put the highlighter places where the highlighter should be. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my lips, my camera was about to die, so I just had to choose between, you know, my battery life or showing y'all some lips. What I did was outline my lips with black eyeliner, and then I took this NYX lip matte cream in Transylvania. So that's all I did for the lips, and then that completes today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this whole concept and the idea, because I really like it. So I hope y'all like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below what you would like to see from me on my channel. Keep in mind this is a beauty channel. And also comment some Halloween looks, since we are, you know, in October, and I just want to bring you guys some different looks for Halloween. And then give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
It's our town, everybody scream, it's town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing.